Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter number 12, angles. First of all, we will learn about what is angle. So what is angle? Angle is formed when two rays, these are rays that whose having its end point, starting point but not end point. These two are rays, and when two rays meet at a common point, this is a common point for both rays. When they meet at a common point, then angle is formed. So this is called angle. Clear to all? Now if we want to measure it, we can measure the angle with the help of protractor. See, this is a protractor. Like this way protractor is coming in market. You all have to purchase this protractor, because one exercise is there which we will do with the help of this protractor. Clear to all? Next, see types of angles. There are some types of angles. First of all, first is acute angle. First is acute angle. Acute angle is that which is less than 90 degree. We can see from the shape. This is a ray. This is less than 90 degree. This angle is called acute angle. Which angle is less than 90 degree? That is called acute angle. Second is right angle. Right angle which is exact 90 degree. Exact 90 degree, like this way perpendicular. This is 90 degree angle. Exact 90 degree. So this is 90 degree and this is less than 90 degree. So this is called acute angle which is exact 90 degree. That is called right angle. Next we will do obtuse angle. Which angle? Obtuse angle. So third is obtuse angle. Clear? Obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Clear? Like this way. Here 90 will be there, greater than 90 degree, like this way. This full angle is called obtuse angle. Clear? Next, fourth type is there. We will do. Fourth is straight angle. Straight angle. Which is a straight angle? Which is equals to 180 degree. Straight angle, like this way. This line is there. This is called straight angle. That is exact 180 degree. Clear? Next, fifth type is there. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Which is reflex angle? That is which angle is greater than angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Means in between 180 and 360. Like this way you can say. Like this way, to downside if ray is there. This total angle is called reflex angle. Clear? But it is not exact 360. It is greater than, here if a line will be there, that is 80. Now it is greater than 180 but less than 360. One more type is there, complete angle. Which angle is exact 360 degree. See, like this way. This full complete angle is 360 degree. Now clear about the types of angles. If these are clear, then we can move on further exercise. Now we are going to start exercise 12.1. See first question. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. This is a figure. We have to observe this figure and we have to give the answer of the following questions. Clear? First of all, before doing this question, you have to see this. Suppose this is the angle. We can write it A, O, B. When they are saying write this angle, how we will write? Here angle is there na, on this point. On which point angle is there? Always this is in the center. A, O, B. Or you can write angle BOA. You can start from this side also or from this side also. If like this way we can give any name angle 1, then we can say this angle 1 also. So same here in this first question they have written name the angle denoted by angle O. This angle O means this angle, how we can denote with another way. So we can write AOC, angle AOC, or what is another method? COA, angle COA. Clear? Next, what is the other way of representing angle 2? This is angle 2. I told you we can, how we can write it? Angle AOB. This is only na angle 2. So angle AOB or BOA. So we can write here angle AOB or angle ABOA. Now they are saying is angle 1 equal to angle AOC? This is angle 1. But angle 1 we can write BOC. They are saying AOC. So AOC is this full angle. So is this, these both are equal? We will write no, they are not equal. Clear first question? See next second question. Which of the following statement is true with reference to given figure? This figure they have given. Now these 4 options are there. You can say options. So we have to see these are correct or not. There are more than 10 angles in the figure. They are saying in this figure total more than 10 angles are there. So yes, this is correct. One angle, this angle AOB, BOC, COD, DOE. For these, one this full angle 5, then AOC, AOD, 2 these 5 and 2 7, BOD 8, EOC 9, DOB 10, and 1 this EOA 11. So we can say that yes, which of the following statement is true? At last, first of all we will see this is true. A1 is BC, angle AOB can also be named as angle 1. AOB, yes, here angle 1 they have written, so to AOB we can write angle 1 also. So this is also true. Angle 2 is named as DOB. Here 2 is there, only this much 2. So we can write it DOC. But they said DOB. DOB is this angle. No, we can't not write. This is wrong. Next, see D. Angle COA can also be represented as angle O. COA. 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 We can write it as angle O. No. O is this full angle, not only this. So this is also wrong. So at last we will write A and B are true. Clear? Next, see third question. Answer the following questions. How many angles are there in the figure? This is a figure. So I will make this figure on the notebook so that more I can clear to you. So see here this third question. Figure we will draw on notebook like this way. Here Q, O, P, R. They said how many angles are there in the figure? So we can say 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 1 this full angle, 4 this 5, and from here to this 6, and 1 this full we can say 7. So total 7 angles are there in this figure. So we can write here 7 answer. Next, find the points on the interior, exterior and boundary of the obtuse angle. Angle is QOR, this one. This angle is there. So they said interior points means which are inside. If this we will not see. this side is interior to this angle. Interior means inside one. So which points are there? A and, so you will write interior points AH. Next exterior, they said exterior means which are outside. Exterior points, this is angle QOR. This is angle, these are which, these, this side which points are there, those are exterior, F, C, E and D. F, C, D, E. Clear? Next they said which are on boundary. Boundary points. Boundary means like which this angle is there, which points are on the boundary like this way, those are boundary points. So here B is there and O is there and G is there. So B, O, G. Clear? Next see C part. On the boundary of which angle does point E lie? This is point E. On which point, on which angle's boundary it's lie? Angle QOP on this angle and angle POR on this angle's boundary. So we can write here angle QOP, angle POR. So with this our first exercise is